हमारे चैनल टी न्यूज उत्तर प्रदेश में आपका स्वागत है।
मैं कनक हरी अग्रवाल, निदेशक एसएस एकेडमी। आज हम लोग विद्यालय पे साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट के एग्जीबिशन लगवाए थे। एग्जीबिशन लगवाने का पर्पज अपना यही रहता है कि बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चों का अपना इनोवेटिव दिमाग होता है, सबके पास अपने अपने आइडियाज होते हैं और उन्हीं आइडियाज को हम लोग प्रदर्शित करने का एक बढ़िया प्लेटफॉर्म देते हैं। इस प्लेटफॉर्म के तहत जो उनके पास अपने आइडियाज हैं, उसमें जो थोड़ी बहुत कमी है या कोई उनको और जानकारी की आवश्यकता है, उसके हिसाब से टीचरों के सहयोग से वो लोग अपने अपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं और उन प्रोजेक्ट को हम लोग फिर यहाँ पे प्रदर्शित करते हैं। उसी के परिणाम स्वरूप आज हमारे मुख्य अतिथि एसपी सिटी साहब आए और उन्होंने वो देख के बहुत ही खुश हुए और 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट को तो उन्होंने देख के इतनी उसकी सराहना की कि क्यों नहीं इन सब प्रोजेक्ट को आप लोग माननीय नितिन गडकरी जी के पास तक दिखाते हैं, पहुंचाते हैं। ये तो बहुत अच्छी बच्चों की सोच और परिकल्पना, और उसको उन्होंने जो भी क्रियान्वित भी किया, जिस तरीके से प्रदर्शित किया, ना कि केवल वर्बली बताया, पूरा विद प्रेजेंटेशन उन बच्चों ने सारे अतिथियों को दिखाया। क्राफ्ट का वर्क जो होता है वो छोटे छोटे बच्चों के हिसाब से उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए बनवाया करवाया जाता है। उसमें कुछ प्रोजेक्ट पेरेंट्स के हेल्प से भी होते हैं, टीचर्स के भी हेल्प से होते हैं, और बाकी छोटे बच्चों के दिमाग में, जैसे छोटे बच्चों से तात्पर्य हमारा 2.5 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल, 5 साल के बच्चों के लिए है कि उन बच्चों के पास भी अपने अपने आइडियाज होते हैं और जब वो कोई चीज इस टाइप की करते हैं तो उनको भी, और उनके पास अपना क्या वो कर सकते हैं, एक वहां से उनका एक फ्यूचर तय होता है जिसको ध्यान में रखते हुए वो चीजें हम लोग उनसे करवाते हैं। हम बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं टी न्यूज उत्तर प्रदेश के, जिन्होंने वो आपके यहाँ के संवाददाता आए और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि वो एक एक बच्चे का एक एक प्रोजेक्ट देखे, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने समय दिया, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने एक एक बच्चे को सुना, कई सारे अभिभावकों का भी व्यू लिया। बहुत से प्रेस वाले आते हैं, वो खाली मुख्य अतिथि और हम लोग तक ही सीमित रहते हैं, पर जिस तरीके से आपके संवाददाता ने बच्चों का ध्यान दिया और उन अभिभावकों का ध्यान दिया, इसके लिए मैं बहुत ही आभारी हूँ, बहुत ही धन्यवाद देता हूँ, बहुत ही साधुवाद देता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Sensor street light, so when car will move from here, so the street light will automatically glow like this, sir.
So like this.
And when they will look the car, so they it will not work, so we can save electricity from this in future also.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ashmita Mishra from class 7.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shanvi Gupta from class 7.
Good morning, sir. My name is Khushi Yadav from class 7. My project name is, I would like to represent my project. My project name is hydroponic farming. Hydroponic is a Greek word. Hydro refers to water and phonos refers to labor. Because the difficulties in supporting the plant in normal upright position, this method is used. This method is mainly used for growing crops or medicinal crops in water-based mineral nutrient solution. It requires less water. It is very useful for the environment. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Akash Upadhyay from class 7 from SS Academy School, and I am standing here to tell you about rainwater harvesting. Firstly, I would thank my principal ma'am and my director sir to give me a chance to imagine my creativity. This is the water harvesting. Water harvesting is a water harvest from which we can save the rainwater by being waste.
Oh. Yes.
So the water goes from here to here, and from here it goes to here.
Good morning, sir. My name is Suhansh Verma and his name is Arav Verma and his name is Balaji Verma. It is my teammate, and sir, we have made a water fountain, and the water fountain advantages are it looks very beautiful and pretty everywhere and anywhere. And water fountain we have used items for water fountain are bottles, pipes, rectangular container and water pumps.
And the effects of water fountain are it stimulate good mood, add value to your home and attract customers.
The flow of electricity are the stronger flow of liquid or substance that flow into the air is called water fountain tank. Good morning, sir. This is our project. In this project, we are making solar irrigation
irrigation by solar panel. In this irrigation, the solar panel store the energy of sunlight, and it will sunlight, and it will convert into energy, and that will be stored in this battery, and this battery will the battery will when we will on this switch, then water will pass through it. And its advantages is that it is very eco-friendly, and disadvantages is that it takes more space.
Good morning, sir. I'm Yansha Gupta.
And I am Avantika Singh.
This is our post science exhibition project. This is our volcano eruption, and this is our toffee dispenser.
So basically, sir and ma'am, she is going to show you the working model, and I am going to explain you this project.
Explain first.
So, when a volcano erupts, hot magma is thrown out with a great force. This magma accumulates around the west of the volcano and form a tall cone-shaped mountain, which is known as the volcanic mountain. So, our second project is toffee dispenser. When we will apply pressure in this dispenser, the toffees will come out from the block. As she is showing you the... So, like this, the toffees will come. Yes, sir. And we can show you. We can show you the inner part also like this. So there are two types. There will be toffee, and in between there will be gift for little children. Like this, we have the structure of this, and the biggest thing is that it saves electricity. There is no use of electricity in this project, and the second thing is that it is made of totally waste. Totally, it is made of cardboard. You can see also. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My name is Siddharth Gupta. I am Sain Tiwari.
I am Akshat Singh. I am Avril Kumar Gupta.
These are motor bridge inspired by London Bridge. We cannot give the shape of London Bridge, but the feature of London Bridge. When the boat comes, it will move stuff like this.
So basically, ma'am, she is going to show you the working model.
When boat gone,
And when the boat goes, it will shut down like this, sir. And then the cars and the bicycles can move. It is fully made of cardboard, that is waste, and it is made up of motor. And
We have used
this
motor.
bed and this battery. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Agrima Gupta.
My name is Sonam Sahu.
My name is Pitakshi.
My name is Kajal Madesha.
This is a water cycle. We have made a water cycle. The water cycle is a process by which the water moves from one receiver to another, from a river to the sea and then the ocean. The water cycle is also known as hydrologic cycle, which is a constitutive cycle where water evaporates in air and gets precipitated and then falls down back on the earth.
Good morning, myself Manya Tripathi from class 6. We have made day and night science project. When sun rays goes on earth, that is morning, and when complete sun rays goes on earth, that is afternoon, and when earth goes in mid, that is evening, and when earth goes at night part, that is night.
Elevator lift is a capable efficient hydraulic cylinder efficient or roller track efficient machine that vertically transport a people between a floor and level or deck of a building vessel of other structure. Thank you, sir.
Achin Pratyaksh Man.
It's an escalator. It moves with the help of electricity. It is widely used in malls, railways, hospitals, etc. It is used to carry people from one floor to second floor, from first floor to second floor, or to second floor to first floor. My name is Abhiraj. I study in class 6.
सारे बच्चे मतलब एक से बढ़ के एक मतलब इंटेलिजेंट है. थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू. Tell me something about exhibition. आज एसएस एकेडमी में मुझे आने का मौका मिला. यहाँ पे आई हैव सीन दी फ्यूचर, हाउ आवर फ्यूचर होल्ड्स, एंड जो बच्चे हैं रियली रियली ब्रिलियंट. जिस टाइप के कंसेप्ट बनाया है, परमिएबल रोड हो गया, या फिर किस तरीके से जो बूढ़े लोग हैं, जो डिसेबल्ड हैं, उनको रोड कैसे क्रॉस करानी है, न्यू जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग्स, इस टाइप की बहुत सारी इनोवेटिव चीज़ें बच्चों ने दिखाई है. आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड विद देयर आर्ट एंड देयर इनोवेटिव माइंड, एंड आई विश देम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
My name is Arsh Khan. His name is Ashutosh Mal. His name is Raghav Josia.
LED lights are used in it for lighting the house. Now, my name is Janvi Sharma.
My name is Sakya Gupta. My name is Tanu Gupta.
We are from class 5. This is our project working model of hand. This is a mechanical hand. When we blow the air through the air pipe, the balloon which will help to move the hand up and down. The multi-body model has become widely employed to study the dynamic behavior not only for mechanical system but also for human body system.
Good morning, sir. This is my team. My name is Anushka Agrawal and her name is Samriddhi Dikshit. Here we have made a solar eclipse. I study in class 5 in SS Academy. Here we have made a solar eclipse.
At a certain time, moon came between the earth and the sun, and it cast the shadow. It is called solar eclipse.
My name is Manvi Patwa. Then I have made this. Water cycle. Good morning, sir. My name is Anna Gupta. Studying class 12. I am make city. Many people live in city. We can go office to take money for buy good job and hard working. We can go shop for many things. We should buy many things from shop from money.
My name is Mansi Jha. I'm studying class 5th.
My name is Shreya Kumari. I also study in class 5.
I'm presenting a model on rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting purposes used to conserve by collecting, storing and purifying of rainwater that runs on foottop, park, road, etc. It can't work in cement area, it works in soil area. The process of rainwater harvesting, at first the rainwater will store in this bucket, then it will go in next bucket for filtration. In that bucket rock is there, rock absorbs all dust from water. So this process the rainwater is filtered in the ground and we can use for drinking water, for farming and for giving animal water. Good morning, sir. My name is Rudrakshi. I study in class 3rd. I make water cycle. The water cycle is type of water above the surface of the earth, raised into atmosphere, cold and condensed into rain or snow in clouds and fall again to the surface. The water cycle is also known as a hydrological cycle. My name is Sakshi Kushwaha. I am studying in class 3rd. I have made water cycle. So the water cycle is a thing in nature that take a place from land to sea and back to sea. Again, the process of water on the earth changes into 3 different steps or motion. First liquid, second gas, third is solid.
Good morning, sir. My name is Avi Tripathi. I study in class 3rd. I made cardboard house. In hilly areas, people used to make houses of cardboard because in those areas, many times earthquake come, so people will not get hurt by breaking of these types of lightweight houses. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Kirti Sharma. I study in class 3rd and my project name is water cycle. Water cycle is the continuous process in which water changes form in a nature. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to from clouds and precipitates back to the earth in the form of rain and snow.
Good morning, sir. My name is Alia. We are studying class 3rd. Today I made the well water is underground water. We can use it, drink it, etc. The water fill up in the well by digging the ground.
Good morning, sir. My name is Bhakti Dividi. I study in class 3rd. I make water cycle. Water gets heated by the sun and rises up as water vapor. Water vapor from clouds. Water droplets from clouds fall as rain. Rainwater fish pond, lake and rivers.
Good morning, sir. My name is Abhinav Gupta. I study in class 3rd. I have made water cycle. The water cycle is a continuous movement of water within the earth and atmosphere. It is a complex system that includes many different processes. Liquid water evaporates into water vapor, condenses to form water, precipitate back to earth in the form of rain and snow. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Shweta Gupta. I study in class 3rd. I am making hydraulic lift. A hydraulic lift is a device for moving fluid using force, creating by pressure on a liquid inside a cylinder that moves a piston upward. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Mohammad Azma. I study in class 3rd. I make lighthouse. Lighthouse is a tall building. It has a light near the top. Lighthouse is a bowl the coast of ocean. It between 300 and 800 BC. The first lighthouse was Pharaohs of excellent craft. It stood about 450 feet high.
Good morning, sir. I am Susan Pandey of class 3rd. I made a solar system. There are 9 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto.
My name is Dishita Gupta. I am from class 3rd. My project name is respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe, take in and give
found air, provide oxygen to various parts of our body, release energy from food. It is made up of various organs such as the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. The air in our nose prevents dust and germs from entering the body. The air enters into the windpipe and finally enters the lungs. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vinay Gupta. My name is Riyal Sharma. I am made solar power irrigation system. The sun is come on the solar panel and then you start the controller to groundwater place in the pump and pump spills water in over a tank and over a tank transfer water in the plants. Good morning, sir. My name is Alishba Riyaz. I study in class 3rd. I have made respiratory system. The respiratory system helps us to breathe, take in and give out air, provide oxygen to various parts of our body, release energy from food. It is made up of various organs such as the nose, the windpipe and the lungs. When we breathe in, air enters our body through the nose. The hair in our nose prevent dust and germs from entering the body. Through the nose, the hair in our nose prevent dust and germs from entering the body. Through the air then goes into the windpipe and finally enters the lungs. My name is Chandra. It is a project of festivals. It is a Christmas. It is celebrated as a birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is a Independence Day. Every year we celebrate 15 August as a It is the main festival of Muslims. Dussehra. It is also a main festival of Hindus. Good morning, sir. My name is Akanmati. I study in class 5. My types of houses. This is houseboat. This is stand. This is bed. This is motorcycle. This is condition. Transport. Collection. Evaporate. My name is Katika Saudar. I study in class 2nd. Motorcycle project model. Sir, my name is Mohammed Adis. I study in class 2nd. This is my project model, our sense organ. Our sense organs help us to sense things. Eye to see, ear to hear, tongue to taste, nose to smell, skin to feel. My name is Navadwar. I study in class 4. We study in class 4. Our plan is volcano. A volcano is an opening of earth to explode its molten rock. When volcano erupts, the magma is pulled up with great force. My name is Agar Tripathi. My project name is Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Abadi. I study in class 1. My project is air pollution. Smoke from factories and exhaust of vehicles smells air pollution. Good morning, ma'am sir. My name is Yuvanska Saudar. I study in class 1. My project is neighborhood. Some family lives near our house. Hospital, park, school are also near our house. This is a neighborhood. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Avral Yadav. I study in class 1st. My name is Ayash Yadav. We study in class 1st. Our project is wildlife. Some animals live in a forest like lion, tiger, elephant, peacock, etc. They all are wild animals. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Soumya Gupta. We studied class first. Our project is water pollution. Garbage comes from house, factory goes into river, animal take bath in the water. It is cause of water pollution. Good morning, sir. My name is Yeti Chorsia. I study in class second. My school name is SS Academy. This is our solar system. This is Sun, this is Mercury, this is Venus, this is Earth. Earth is our home planet. We live in Earth. Earth is third planet. This is Mars. Mars is red in color. Mars is our smallest planet. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. This is Saturn. Saturn has beautiful rings. This is Uranus. Uranus has many satellites. This is Neptune. Neptune has 6 feet. Good morning, sir. I am Ritvika. I would like to share some facts about my project. Community helpers. Community helpers are doctor, policeman, postman, teacher. Doctor always take care of sick people whenever they need them. Policemen are policemen worked in police station. They help us to catch a thief. Teacher are teachers in a school and teaches us various subjects. Postman are postmen worked in post office. They deliver letter door to door.
Good morning, sir. I am Akshata Gawal. I am studying class second from SS Academy School. I would like to share some facts about my project. Community helpers. Police station. A policeman or policewoman work in police station. They help us to catch a thief. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, myself Ashriya Tripathi. I study in class second. My school name is SS Academy. My project name is Season Project Model. This is summer season. In summer season, the days are hot and long. This is winter season. In winter, the days are shorter, and in winter, the days are very cold. This is spring season. In spring, the flower blooms during the spring season. This is rainy season. In rainy season, everything turns green and fresh. Good morning, sir. Myself, Kavya Gupta. I read in class second. This is my project. My project name is Parts of Plant. There are two parts of the plant. The first part is shoot, in which leaves, flowers, and fruits come. The second part is root, which has roots. My name is Shivanand Tiwari. I read in class second. My school name is SS Academy. This is my project model of the types of house. This is Pakka house. This is Kacha house. This is igloo. This is boat house. This is hut. Good morning, sir. My name is Bhargav Jaiswal. I study in class 1. My project is pet animal. This is a farm. This is a cow. Cow provide us with dairy product. Cow give us milk to milk. This is a ship living in a pan. Good morning, sir. My name is Avya Yadav. I study in class second. My school name is SS Academy. This is the model of types of house. This is igloo. This is hut. This is kachas. This is building. Building is also called office. This is kachas. Kacha house is made of sticks. This is hut. Hut is made of mud. This is igloo. Igloo is coldest. Good morning, sir. My name is Ayan Ahmad. I study in class second. My project name is temporary house. This is our solar panel. This is our guest room. This is our storeroom. This is our bedroom. Thank you. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Aditya Dubey. Our project is volcano. Volcano is opening the earth. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Ati Chadin Chadfar.
My name is Sandar Paswan.
My project is volcano.
I study in class first.
I study in Chadfar. My project is volcano. Volcano is an opening in the earth's surface. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Riddhi. I studied class first. My project name is volcano. Volcano are open on the earth's surface. Lava has gas. Really, the volcano live in a orange surface. Good morning, sir and ma'am. My name is Pragyan Gupta. I study in class first. My project name is
Neighborhood. Some family are near our house called neighborhood. Hospital, park, school are also near our house is called neighborhood. Good morning, sir. My name is Aidasi. My name is Harichan. We study in class first. Our project is volcano. Volcano are opening the earth's surface. Release lava head and grease get released in pollution. Lands, grease. Good morning, sir. My name is Atal Srivastav. I study in class first. My project name is water pollution. Garbage come from home, factory goes into river. Animals take bath in the water. It causes a water pollution. Good morning, sir. My name is Priyansh Madesha. I study in class second. My school name is SS Academy. This is a project model of types of families. This is a big joint family. A joint family has many members and a blood relation. This is a big family. A big family has many members living together. And this is a nuclear family. A nuclear family has few members and living together like father, mother, and one or two children.
अभी एसएस एकेडमी में जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगा है उसके बारे में कुछ आप बताइए, कैसा लगा आपको?
अच्छा लगा। बच्चे इतना ही मेहनत से ये सब चीजें किए हैं तो उनको मतलब देख के काफी अच्छा है। बहुत बच्चे भी मेहनत किए हैं, टीचर भी मोटिवेट करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। वाटर पोल्यूशन मतलब किस चीजों से होती है ये सब जानकारी, और भी बच्चों ने बहुत सारी ट्रॉफी, रोड, ये सब चीज़ें के बारे में मतलब प्लानिंग कैसे क्या करते हैं, कैसे वाटर उसमें यूज होता है, वाटर को वेस्ट मत करिए, ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में बच्चों ने हमें बहुत बताया।
अभी जो एसएस एकेडमी में यहाँ पे साइंस एग्जीबिशन लगा है तो आप लोगों का क्या रोल रहा है बच्चों को ये सब प्रिपरेशन करवाने में?
एक्चुअली मैं प्री प्राइमरी की टीचर हूँ, तो उसमें तो पूरा ही कंट्रीब्यूशन रहता है। टीचर्स के साथ बच्चे बनाते हैं, वो एंजॉय करते हैं, क्राफ्ट रहते हैं, तो ये सिर्फ एंजॉयमेंट के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें। बट जो सीनियर स्टूडेंट के साथ है वो काफ़ी मतलब मेहनत के साथ बनाए हैं बच्चे।
टीचर्स का भी बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है इसमें बनाने का, हेल्पिंग करने का, चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करने का, प्रेजेंटेशन सब अंडर टीचर्स के थ्रू ही है सब।
Good morning, sir. My name is Siddhi Agarwal. Her name is Ronak Kumari. We have made this project named Advanced Colony. In it, we have shown many processes.
We are using different type of tricks in this project. First is our rainwater harvesting. In the rainwater harvesting, we see that when the rain happens, then all the water gets wasted. And due to wastage of water, we don't have any use of that. So we are using this type of rainwater harvesting. Here we will collect all the water in this tank and then transfer it into the treatment plants. In the treatment plants that we are having the sedimentation tank, filtration tank and also the chlorination tank. In these different tanks we are using, in the sedimentation tank we will use alum. Due to alum, all the impurities will settle down in the bottom and the clear water will be transferred into the filtration tank. And in this, different types of membranes are put up and that will clear the water again. And then it will be transferred to chlorination tank. In this, we will use germicides so that all the germs can be killed. Thus, we will use chlorines for that. And then next, we will transfer it to RO. And the RO will also make it fit for drinking. And then we will transfer it to the houses so we can drink the water. Next is our automatic roads, automatic zebra crossing. In this type of zebra crossing, we see that many old people are there who cannot walk on the roads. So this type of zebra crossings we will make, then we will see that they have to only stand on the road, and the road will pass them to the another side, and thus the old people can be helped. And the next is our pervious road. In this type of roads, we see that when the water is in our normal roads, we see that when the water is put in, then that is collected on the surface. But if we will make this type of roads, then all the water we are putting on this upper surface will move to the downward surface. There are two benefits of this type of roads. First is we can prevent the floods, and second is to maintain the groundwater. Groundwater table, we are seeing that it is decreasing day by day, so we have to just uplift it, and then we can use this type of roads. And next concept is the bridge concept. In the bridges concept, we are seeing in the many cities there are bridges which are getting broken due to rain. Rainwater collect on the bridges, and it makes the bridges to break down. So the next time we will make the bridges, then we will use this type of pipes in the bridges, or this will be the road pipes which can hold the water, and we will pass this water to our nearly water bodies, or also can be passed to the treatment plants so that it can be fit for drinking.
This is the human eye model, and in this is the source of light. This light enters our eye through the lens present in our eye, and the image is formed on the retina, and this gets transferred to our brain through the optic nerve in the form of electrical signals. The brain receives these signals, and we are able to see the objects present around us. We cannot see the objects present around us at night because there is no source of light. The brain is made up of millions of neurons, and this is the model of neuron. It is also known as nerve cell, and it is the longest cell present in our body. It helps us to sense pain, temperature, taste, etc. And this is the model of water cycle. The water from rivers, lakes, ponds, oceans, etc. gets converted into water vapor because of the heat from the sunlight. And this water vapor again gets converted into the water droplets because of the cooling atmosphere. This is known as condensation. These water droplets mix with the dust particles present in our atmosphere and forms cloud. The water again comes down to the earth because of the gravity, and this is known as precipitation. This process continues again and again, and this is known as water cycle. So I will start from here. ये सन है सूरज. ये क्या हो रहा है, इसकी गर्मी से पानी जो है भाप बन रहा है, और भाप बनने से ये यहाँ पे बादल का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. बादल यहाँ बन रहा है. ये बादल फिर इसमें से पानी आएगा, और ये जो साइकिल है कंटिन्यूअस चलती रहेगी. और ये जो है ये हमारी मतलब लिविंग में भी बहुत ज्यादा ही बेनिफिशियल है. मतलब इसी से सीजन के चेंजेस भी होते हैं. जैसे अंटार्कटिका में हमें सिर्फ एक ही सीजन होता है, सिर्फ वहाँ पे विंटर्स होते हैं, समर्स नहीं होते हैं. तो इसी वजह से, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ग्रीनरी नहीं है, ग्रास नहीं है, ग्रीनरी नहीं है, एनिमल्स नहीं है, वहाँ का सर्वाइवल इसलिए बहुत टफ होता है. अब जैसे इस सब चीज को हम लोग सेंस कैसे करते हैं, इन सब चीजों को हम लोग सेंस करते हैं न्यूरॉन सेल से. इसको हम लोग सेंसरी सेल भी कहते हैं. ये जो सेल है इसमें हम लोग सेंस करते हैं. जैसे हमें चोट लग गई, अगर हमें मतलब कहीं दर्द हो रहा है या कुछ भी जो भी सेंस करने वाली, तो हम लोग इसी सेल से हम लोग सेंस करते हैं. अब जैसे ये दोनों प्रोजेक्ट हम लोग देख रहे हैं, तो हम लोग कैसे देख रहे हैं, तो अब हम लोग देखते हैं, अगर अंधेरे में हम लोग कोई भी चीज देखते हैं तो हम लोग को दिखाई नहीं देगा. बट जब लाइट हमारी आंखों में पड़ता है, तो जब लाइट हमारे आंखों में जाएगा तो वहां से एक सिग्नल होता है जो सेंसरी नर्व के पास जाता है. सेंसरी नर्व क्या करता है, उस सिग्नल को ऑप्टिक नर्व में भेजती है. ऑप्टिक नर्व क्या करता है, ब्रेन में उस सिग्नल को भेजता है. ब्रेन किससे बना है, बहुत सारे न्यूरॉन सेल को इकट्ठा करने के बाद ये ब्रेन बना है. ये जो ब्रेन है, ब्रेन क्या करता है, उस सिग्नल को फिर से वापस भेजता है. जो सिग्नल है उसको फिर से वापस भेजता है रिकलेक्ट करके. जैसे अगर हम ये पेन हम लोग ऐसे देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो उसको जैसे ये उल्टा है तो उसको सीधा करके वो ऐसे दिखाएगा. तो ये तीनों प्रोजेक्ट का हम लोग का.
Mindset, it is a hydropower plant. My name is Ayush Gupta from class 10. When a dam flow the water and it fall on a wheel can rotate, and it is connected from a motor which is DC motor. DC motor can rotate and form electricity which is DC electricity, which transfer this electricity in factory, and factories can convert this electricity in the AC electricity. AC electricity can use in our appliances, which is home appliances, other appliances like road appliances, all things, all happens. It is a home. इसमें वही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूज हो रही है जो इसमें से प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. प्रोड्यूस हुई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को हम लोग हर प्रकार में यूज़ करें, जैसे स्ट्रीट लाइट्स, अदर थिंग्स, अप्लायंसेज, फैक्ट्रीज एंड स्ट्रीट लाइट्स.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Rishika Krishnan Patwa from class 9 from SS Academy School. This is my project. My project name is Deep Underground Water Recharge. Like we have heard that day by day the level of water is decreasing, and the scarcity of water problems is increasing day by day. So in this project, we have used the concept of PVC pipe. Like in rainy seasons, due to heavy rainfall, all the waters are collected on roads. And after the collection, we not use that water. All that remains same. Due to stability of rainwater, the roots also breaks, due to which the chances of accidents also increase. So in this project, we have used the concept of PVC pipe. When the rainwater will collected on road, it will directly go down to the water table, where all the waters are collected, through which the rainwater will also recharge, and by this the level of water will also increase. And through these holes, the soil will also get recharged. Soil erosion will also prevented, and the road accidents, breaking constructions of roads will also save. And in this project, this is our second project, laser security alarm. हम लोग घर में रहते हैं तो हमें पता नहीं चलता है कौन कब आया, कौन कब चला गया. तो इसमें क्या है कि कोई भी आएगा, हमने इसमें सेंसर का यूज किया है, कोई भी आएगा तो जैसे ही कोई ये बीप करेगा, जिससे घर में बैठे हमें पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ कोई आ रहा है, उससे हम अलर्ट हो जाएंगे. सर, हमारा मेन मोटो यही है कि जो नेचुरल एग्जॉस्ट रिसोर्स है हम उसे कंजर्व करके लगे. लाइक सन जो है वो नेचुरल रिसोर्स है, वो नॉन एग्जॉस्टेबल, वो कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला है. लेकिन जो वाटर है, लाइक वाटर इज ऑल्सो नेचुरल रिसोर्स, लेकिन जो वाटर है वो खत्म हो जाएगा. वो अगर एक बार आए तो फिर नहीं आ पाएगा. और हमारे अर्थ पे सिर्फ 1% वाटर रह गया, जिससे हमें कंजर्व करना है और हमें अपने वाटर लेवल को इंक्रीज करना है.
Good afternoon. My name is Swastika Gupta. I am studying class 10. So just I have made blower. It is working with the help of two bulb, 100-watt bulb. Just I have fit one motor and one fan. Because of that bulb only, that heat will produce. Because of that heat, that whatever the air will come outside from that, it will come heat. It is in very low cost. Just that my battery is right now dead. That's why it is not working. But it is in very low cost. That it will not produce high electricity also.
सर, मेरा नाम रेहान है और इसका नाम रुद्रांश गोयल. और ये हम लोग की हाइड्रोलिक लिफ्ट है. जैसे दूसरे कंट्रियों में पार्किंग की प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो ये हम लोग को मदद करेगी. जैसे कार यहाँ पार्क है और फिर चलो यार नीचे कौन देख सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम नीचे
Good morning, sir. I am Yudhishri Gupta and my teammates are doing this project. This is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation has basically drip irrigation. We have a pipe that is connected to motor that have a small holes in it, which can retain water so the soil get not dry. In this soil, the plants grow well and without any human interventions. Our country is also known as farmers' country. That's why we have to develop these things. This is for our farmers, and thank you farmers for doing this thing for us.
Good morning, sir. Here I am standing here to introduce my project. So here, when water saves some water, so it's gone in that and will give us some water in some plants.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vidhi. I am here with my project. Our project name is Sprinkler World. It is a drip irrigation. We can save our water by planting this.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pranshu Mishra.
My name is Adyan Kumar.
The name of our project is Smart Zebra Crossing. What is the work of this project? In old zebra crossing, when old people and blind people move, they take much time to cross the road. But in our smart zebra crossing, when there is a red light, the barriers comes out, which doesn't allow the both sides the vehicles to move, and vehicles to move, and the old people or blind person standing here will move from this end of the road to this end of the road with the help of escalator, which prevents the accident, and it is time effective also.
So we have used our code Arduino Uno, and here's the Arduino Uno's adapters. 4 piece of 9 watts battery, LED lights, DC gear motors, the breadboard, and some wires, and 4 switches. Servo motors, 2 servo motors.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Sayyid Umar of class 8 presenting my project which is named as Development in Rural Areas. As you can see here, here is the old one. Here is old one which cows and other buffaloes are used for plugging the field. Here is solar panel for generating electricity. The new one, the new rural areas, and tractor for plugging the field. Here is windmill for generating electricity. Here is drip irrigation for giving water to our plant like here. And this is chalk machine for cutting down our leaves and plant to feed our domestic animal. And this is some craft work I have also done here. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Our project is about sustainable electricity generator. As we know, the waste are such a problem in this environment, in this generation. We don't need waste. We are using waste and dumping them in the ground, and it takes a lot of time taking process. So we are using waste materials to burn it. This is an electricity generating jar. When we put the waste materials in this, we will burn it. And we attach heating sensors. It will collect all the electricity which is generated from the heating process. And this is a battery. We have charged it by this process, and we can use it to produce electricity whenever it is required. Our project, it cannot harm the environment. As we know, the carbon dioxide. When we burn anything, it will produce carbon dioxide.
So the carbon dioxide, which is producing by burning the waste materials, will go through this pipe and store into this container. This is the carbon plate, and see, as you can see, they both have the exhauster. The polluted water, carbon dioxide, will store into this carbon plate, and the polluted water will come out pure through this pipe and store into this container. So basically, out of the waste garbage we are dumping on the land, if we can generate electricity, and like we are not polluting our environment, and it is used.
Good morning, sir. We have made this accident prevention with mountain road safety. Sir, as you know that every year in the mountain, 5 lakh car crashes to each other. 5 lakh car crashes to each other, and they fall down into the valleys, in which 6 lakh people died. So we have made this project that if the car is coming in front of this sensor, we have made this IR module sensor. This street light will get red, and this side person will get notified that the person this side coming from this side will notify that we have to stop there. Second, if this will be happen from both the side, this side also, if the car, and if the situation came that there is as we know that there is a space between the valleys, so we can't see both the cars came in front of the sensor, and they both wanted to move, so they can reduce their speed. As you know that there is the approx speed of the cars on the mountain is 50 km per hour, so it can be reduced, and it can be till 10 km per hour, so they can move easily through it. They can move easily, and they can move properly. And second, this is our next project. speed breaker with power generation. As you know that in our country, in government of India is spending 70 crore rupees and plus 11 lakh watt current every year for the street lights. And you also know that our youth generation is driving the vehicles very fast, so government is putting the speed breaker everywhere. So with that speed breaker, if the government wanted to reduce their budget of street lights, they can make this project which will increase. This is rod, and which it is making. If the car will move from upside, the frictional energy will convert the mechanic. We have not used any battery in it to the electrical energy. Through the electrical energy, if the car is moving, street light will automatically start glowing it. See, sir. And from the both the side. And in India, in 3 seconds, more than five vehicles cross the speed breakers. So it will not stop. It will also not stop glowing. It will continue to start glowing when the car and any vehicle will move from.
Good morning. My name is Anika Shankar. I am studying class 4th. My school name is SS Academy. My group name is Georgius Now. My project name is air pollution. Those who helped me to make this project names are. Good morning, Good morning, sir. My name is Supriya Singh. I study in class 4th, and I have helped to make this project. Good morning, sir. My name is Rashmi Jaiswal. I study in class 4th. I am also making process. Explain the process. There are many types of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and soil pollution. Few lines about air pollution are, you know that air is essential for all living beings, yet we are making dirty every day. Everyday burning of the fuels like wood, coal, petrol, and or diesel to cook food and to run machines and vehicles. Burning of these fuels releasing a lot of smoke such as carbon dioxide. Crackers is used in many festivals and functions. Air pollution also cause breathing problems like bronchitis and asthma. Air pollution is also cause global warming. My name is Shreya Verma. I am from class 5th. This is a bubble machine. It is used for entertainment of children. पहले हम लोग इसमें वाटर और सर ये मैंने बना के यहाँ पे रखा है. तो पहले हम लोग इसमें वाटर और शैम्पू डालेंगे और ये फैन को ऑन कर देंगे और यहाँ से जो बबल क्रिएट होगा वो, और उससे मैंने यहाँ पे बबल भी रखा है और ये चिल्ड्रंस के लिए है, बच्चे से एंटरटेनमेंट होने के लिए है, फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस. ये आप घर पे ही बना सकते हो. यू कैन मेक एट होम ऑल्सो. इट इज नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव और नॉट वेरी कॉस्टली.
सर इट इज लिफ्ट, मतलब कि ये लिफ्ट है. जैसे कि कोई बूढ़ा आदमी या कोई बच्चा हो जिनको चलने में दिक्कत हो रही है वो इससे जा सकते हैं. सर जी थे सर ये लिफ्ट है और जैसे कि यहाँ पे जो ये है मतलब कि अंडर मोटर और बैटरी से इसकी वजह से ये चल रहा है. ठीक है, देखिए सर देख लिए. जैसे कि ये बहुत आज की टेक्नोलॉजी में ये बहुत कम एनर्जी ले रहा है. 40% तक कम की एनर्जी ले रहा है.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shaul Pandey. I'm studying class 5th. My project name is water dispenser. It is very useful product to everyone and every places, like marriage, party, birthday. The dispenser of water, it is work with.
No, sir. My name is Athar. I am studying class 3rd. Name. My name is Athar. I am studying class 3rd. I make solar system. Solar system are 9 planets: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto, Uranus, and Pluto. Pluto is a dark planet. Jupiter is a larger planet in the solar system. Earth is only light because they have light, water, and air.
Hello, sir. This is Eco Trash Collector. जो पानी का जो कूड़ा होता है, गीला जो कूड़ा होता है, उसको उठाने में काम आता है ये। लाइक यहाँ पे देखिए, ये जो रोटेटर है ये कंटिन्यूअसली घूमता रहेगा। हाँ, फिर जब ये घूमेगा तो जो कूड़ा होगा इसमें आता जाएगा, इकट्ठा होता जाएगा, और फिर जब इसमें इकट्ठा हो जाएगा देन वी हैव टू थ्रो इन द लाइक। हाँ, एक सेकेंड सर। तो देखिए, सपोज कीजिए वहाँ पे कूड़ा है, ठीक है, सपोज कर लिए। अब लाइक हम लोग को उस कूड़े को फेंकना है गार्बेज में, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को ये जो बटन है यहाँ पे, ये वाला, हाँ, इसको हम लोग पहले प्रेस करेंगे ताकि ये खड़ा हो जाए। देन उसके बाद हम लोग ये प्रेस करेंगे जिससे कि ये गिर जाए गार्बेज में।
Good morning, sir. My name is Karan sir. My study class 7. HAT, fan, house, pair is the windmill. The first is the windmill 29, others 80, 54 windmill.